I go to the clothes shop. I go to the clothes shop. I see the shop. I see the shop. I enter the store. I enter the store. I see clothes on racks. I see clothes on racks. I pick a dress. I pick a dress. I look at the size. I look at the size. I try it on. I try it on. It fits perfectly. It fits perfectly. I like the color. I like the color. I take the dress. I take the dress. I pay with money. I pay with money. I get a receipt. I get a receipt. I leave the store. I leave the store. I see a shoe shop. I see a shoe shop. I find a pair of shoes. I find a pair of shoes. I try them on. I try them on. They are comfortable. They are comfortable. I choose to buy them. I choose to buy them. I pay with a credit card. I pay with a credit card. I keep the receipt. I keep the receipt. I look for accessories. I look for accessories. I see a purse. I see a purse. I like it. I like it. I buy the purse. I buy the purse. I pay with cash. I pay with cash. I keep the receipt. I keep the receipt. I am happy with my purchases. I am happy with my purchases. I go home. I go home. Shopping for clothes is enjoyable. Shopping for clothes is enjoyable. I love it. I love it.